This is true. Welcome to Shenzhen Opticking Technology Company. Let's go and see it. Opticking is an innovative and high-tech company dedicated to R&D, manufacture, sales, and service of optical communication products. Since its establishment in 2005, the company has been growing fast. By so far, Opticking built 2 factories in the cities of Shenzhen and Yichun. This is our Shenzhen office and R&D department. These modern workshops span a total of 2,000 square meters and are staffed by more than 200 employees. Opticking has a professional engineering team, support any complex issue, anytime to ensure the quality of our products. 3 years warranty, allow you to enjoy worry-free experience. Opticking attach great importance to the quality requirements. Established and passed the ISO 9001 management system at the beginning of the establishment of the company in 2005. We also certified our products to ensure their reliability like CE, FCC. Please take a look at our module workshop. It is a clean room of 10K class. Monthly capacity reaches 200K SFP modules. We cover the range from 1.25 GB, 10 GB, 25 GB, 40 GB, 100 GB, 200 GB, 400 GB modules. AOC, DAC cable, they are compatible with almost all devices. Before we enter the clean room, we need to go through the dust removal room. FTTH product line with more than 170 employees. Monthly capacity reaches 1 million connectors. Shenzhen plan is to deal with the urgent order from customers, make high-quality products and some sample orders. Opticking has complete testing and verification equipment and instruments, as well as various brands of switches. All of SFP Transceiver are tested and verified one by one before shipping to ensure their compliance and can transmit and receive signals normally. All products have passed stability, compatibility, and performance tests in industry authoritative equipment to ensure high quality. Each product has been tested for compatibility and performance on host devices and obtained many international certifications such as ISO, CE, RoHS, etc. Please don't hesitate to contact us. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.